Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create a native application from Node. Before we get started, you would need to have Node installed on your computer. If you don't know how to install, if you don't know how to, where to get the Node from, then you just go to this website and just click on install and follow the download process. Follow the installation process and you should be good. But to create a native application, you would need this program, Roger Wang, native webkit, actually node-webkit. So go to this GitHub page and scroll down, and you should see a different version of the program. Let's go ahead and download it. That is it. While it does its download, let's go ahead and create a folder for our sample application. Sample. And let me extract this. Let me extract this. Uh, Create a new folder and call it node webkit. It doesn't have to be node webkit, it can be anything. Go ahead and extract it. And before you start making a node application, you probably might want to do this npm. You probably might want to run npm init. You can either do that or just have a package.json file and have all these attributes. You could theoretically skip some of the attributes, but I'm just gonna do the npm init because that's much more easier than to copy and paste stuff. This would respond. Okay, npm init, and it should start the all those question and answer thingy. These are all the stuff that you saw in the package.json file. Gonna go ahead and do yes, 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 yes. And this will create a package.json file on your folder. Now, since I'll just be um, making a simple web application, simple hello world web application, and convert that into native web application, just to show you the concept. I'm not gonna go and build a full-blown web application in this tutorial, but just go ahead and change this index.js to index.html because that's our main entry point of our application. And to make this native, mm, uh, to have the native behavior for this application, you would need this extra at property called window. So go ahead and copy and paste this. I'll um, add this attribute or property in the description or in my GitHub page so that would so you can just copy and paste this. Okay, no. All right, so we have window. So let's just call it my first. Oops. Um, Hello native apps. Um, you can go ahead and create your icon. That's the rest are pretty self-explanatory. These are the toolbars for your window, and this is the frames and width and height, position, everything. I'll just show you after we create our application. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create. Let's call it an index.html. Save as yes, index.html. Oh, HTML5 sample application. Let's add styling to our hello world program. Save this H1. Let's add some color just to see that it's actually working. Text align right. save this and call it style.css. Okay, so let's say this is our application and you want to convert this into a native web app, native application. Um, you'd first you'd need to compress this not the folder but the files. Compressing the folder will not work, and compressing from this extracting tool like 7-zip, WinRAR might not work for you. Didn't work for me, but you can go ahead and give it a try. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do the simple compression, Windows compression, because uh, for some reason it wasn't working for me on the 7-zip. If I can rename this, go ahead and rename this package or your yeah, package. Go ahead and rename this to the application that you would want. And oh, okay, so we need to give it a extension called NW, and this is how the node-webkit knows that it's a native application. Go ahead and open the folder that you just downloaded or extracted rather. Copy and paste this into this, and just drag and drop your package to nw.exe, and it should open up this window. So this is pretty much Chrome console, I mean Chrome browser, and you can click on it and bring up the DevTools and change all the stuff like you did in a web app. And let me show you something else too. Let me delete this, and I'm going to show you some of the properties. Toolbar false. Some of the properties that is responsible for giving us the window frame. Okay, so after just changing two attributes, it should pretty much drastically change our application. Or just the window. So, oops, I can drag it. So this is our application now, without the borders and stuff. Now, you can go to the console for this. So if you want to push your application to production, then you might want to do this because you would not want the user to enter the dev tools and hack into your application. So yeah, that's how you make a simple native application from Node. Thank you for watching.